Hey, what's up, OMG Nation? On today's episode, I'm at the HOG chapter meeting, and I'm going to take you with me. Come on. Don, where have you been?
Nowhere.
I know.
I didn't even notice it the first time.
It's like,
I'm not going to share that with FBI.
Yes. So you have to tell me in a minute how it tastes, okay?
It's great. It's fabulous. Oh, yeah, I want to eat a little bit. Fire shrimp is really good.
What is that?
Shrimp and grits.
What do you think? Good?
Oh, it's delicious. Yeah. Oh, for real.
How's that?
That's right.
Is that the worst time for So I'm going to film this stuff and let people know what the Cajun steamer is like. So if you're in Tennessee and want to come to the Cajun steamer, then you're going to know whether it's good food or not. I'm trying to scoot through this little bitty thing.
calamari.
Calamari.
Oh,
Do you care if you're on YouTube?
no. I want to be on
What's your
YouTube.
name?
Kaylee.
Kaylee. Kaylee
Hi.
wants to be on YouTube.
Yeah, I do. Please. I want to be a star. What about
She
this?
works at the Cajun steamer, so you have to come see Kaylee. Okay,
And
what do you
get
do
this
here?
tuna. I'm a bartender.
Yes, come see Kaylee. She's a bartender. I heard about you.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, and I gotta bleep that.
You want some tickets, Ryan?
I'm broke.
Okay.
I just forgot to get cash.
I do it every time. I usually don't have cash. Today I do.
Those are dill pickle chips.
What do you think?
They're pretty good.
You heard it from the man. The dill pickle chips at the Cajun steamer in Cool Springs, Franklin. They're pretty good. Drop them on the floor. I was gonna say, are they good off the floor?
Yeah. Absolutely.
They're still good on the
5
floor.
seconds.
All right, Ronnie's late, so I got to find out why Ronnie's late.
Steve.
Are you late?
No, I'm right on time, bro. Right on time.
Is he late?
If I'm here, I'm right on time. I'm looking in the camera and I'm saying that right on time.
Are you going to put my name or are you just going to
I'm easy, man.
Typically just put faces, but I can put your name. Your phone number. That's what Ronnie usually has me do. His phone number.
Well, if it helps, you got mine.
Text.
Did you meet Steve?
Says text with questions. Have I met you, Steve? I'm Ryan.
Nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you. Text with questions. I'm Ryan.
Did you meet Olga? Did I say that correctly?
Did. Olga. I'm Ryan. I've met y'all. I met Tina.
I went to Olga.
I don't even know if we're in frame right now. But it's
Where?
We're in frame,
In
but
frame?
it's a wide
Like,
angle.
are we in frame now?
Maybe.
Or like, are we in frame now?
Maybe.
Are we in frame now?
I feel a cool breeze.
Are we in frame now?
That's back from when the crotch rocket days, isn't it?
You know, I never did that. You know what they told me though? For baseball players that got started, so if a pitcher was looking, he could turn his hat like that, and he couldn't tell if they were looking at first base.
Really?
Yeah,
That's pretty smart.
for the baseball player.
Oh, look at this. I was talking about the movie. That's ridiculous. What do you have?
Steak and cider.
What do you think? Is it good?
All right.
Take another one of those.
A little bit.
Another one? I'll go. Then I'll let your server know. Okay. She's not over that one.
Okay, cool.
It's a little crowded.
So we're in a horseshoe-shaped space. We're in a horseshoe-shaped space. Look at this.
I don't know. I'm very talented.
Heavy?
Very heavy. Y'all order order food? Did you order food?
I did calamari. My stuff, this is it? You couldn't grab it?
Well, you didn't hold it.
So weird. All right, so I'm having the calamari. Pretty good. Real good.
Real good though.
Remember this sausage right here. This is good.
What is that other sauce?
You want to try? Oh, that's good. You want to try one?
Yeah. What is it? Fruity or is it? Good. Yeah, it's kind of like a teriyaki kind of.
Yeah.
Yep. But they're good. They're not chewy. They're like.
I like it. That's what she said.
Hey, have you tasted it yet?
No, I need utensils. Whoop, whoop. Thank you, sir.
Well, thank you.
Did you get one? All right, first taste. Ready? Here we go. Little steamed shrimp, a little bit of Creole seasoning. That's the verdict. All right, we're getting into the thick of the meeting now.
Do you sometimes wish you were a guest rather than a host?
I already know where he's going with this.
All right, bear with me now. Bear with me. How many people like to ride motorcycles? Raise your hand. Should be every one of y'all raising your hand, right? All right. How many of y'all like to go to cool and different places? Raise your hand. Every one of y'all can have your hands.
This is for a gift card, $25 gift card. At the dealership. 238-971. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo!
Are you saying what? Ronnie won.
$90.
So this one's for 90 bucks.
Excuse me, I gotta go back over there. Yep, we're coming to pennies. $90. That's the big one. Woo.
Here we go.
993. 238.
Oh, God, this guy's not a member.
The new guy.
It's actually for you.
Okay, how did you enjoy your meal?
I loved it.
I had a drink.
You
had a drink?
Yeah.
That was it?
Yeah. The back home. I loved it.
A pack of
You didn't eat anything?
Has the cheese on the head.
That was $50.
Yes.
Really?
Just pay it to me. All right, everyone. So that's hold on. Let's go over here. All right, everyone. So that's a little bit of the chapter meeting. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's the Moonshine Harley Davidson HOG chapter 2715. The link's going to be down in the description. Check it out. Also, you know, I'm not sure how much of this stuff I will actually be able to use because they're playing music in the background here. So some of the stuff I may have to fade in and out with the music. But I don't want any copyright infringements or anything like that. Hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone. See ya.